Welcome, future wealth builders. Before you leave this video, answer one simple question. Have you ever seen someone earning a high salary, but still struggling with money? And have you ever seen someone earning much less, but building wealth year after year? Why does this happen? Is it luck? Is it intelligence? Or is there a hidden financial rule that most people never learn? The answer is simple. Building wealth is not only about how much money you earn, it is about how wisely you manage the money you already have. In today's video, we will uncover the hidden financial mistakes that silently stop millions of people from becoming wealthy. And you might be making some of these mistakes without even realizing it. Let's begin. Imagine two friends, Alex and David. Both graduate from college, both get jobs, both earn the same salary. At first, their lives look exactly the same. But after 5 years, everything changes. Alex starts buying expensive gadgets, a luxury car, designer clothes, and expensive vacations. From the outside, he looks successful, but behind the scenes, his expenses keep increasing. Every month, his salary disappears. David chooses a different path. He drives a simple car, avoids unnecessary spending, and invests a fixed amount every month. After another 5 years, Alex is still dependent on his next paycheck. But David has built a growing investment portfolio. What was the difference? It was not income. It was not luck. It was habits. Many people believe earning more money will solve all problems. But without financial discipline, a higher income often creates a higher lifestyle. This is called lifestyle inflation. A salary increase comes, and people immediately increase their expenses. A bigger house, a new phone, more subscriptions, more payments. Slowly, expenses grow until they become equal to income. And that is why many people with good salaries still feel financially stressed. Remember this: income creates opportunities, but habits create wealth. Every rupee you earn has a purpose. You can spend it on things that lose value, or you can use it to buy assets that can grow over time. Every financial decision is a choice between today's comfort and tomorrow's freedom. Now let's talk about another big mistake. Many people focus only on earning money, but they never learn how to keep money. They work harder, they earn more, but at the end of the month, nothing remains. The reason is simple. They don't have a system. Wealth is not created by random actions. It is created by consistent decisions. A financially smart person does not ask, "Can I buy this today?" They ask, "Will this decision improve my future?" That one question can change your financial life. Another mistake people make is trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. They buy expensive things to impress people who are not even thinking about them. A luxury car with large payments does not always mean wealth. A simple lifestyle with growing investments can create real financial freedom. Because wealth is not what people see. Wealth is what you own when nobody is watching. Another important lesson is understanding the power of time. Many people say, "I will start investing later, after earning more, after responsibilities decrease, after life becomes easier." But time is the greatest advantage in investing. Small investments made consistently can grow into something powerful because of compound growth. Your money starts earning money, and that money starts creating more money. But most people want quick results. They want instant success. They want overnight wealth. Real wealth does not usually happen overnight. It is built quietly, month after month, year after year, through patience and discipline. The final mistake is not learning about money. People spend years learning how to earn, but very little time learning how money works. They don't understand assets. They don't understand investing. They don't understand financial planning. And because of this, they make decisions based on emotions, fear, pressure, and comparison. But knowledge gives you control. The more you understand money, the better decisions you can make. You don't need millions to start building wealth. You need better habits. Track your expenses. Save before spending. Invest consistently. Avoid unnecessary debt. And control your emotions. Because the biggest enemy of wealth is not always a lack of money. Sometimes it is a lack of discipline. Your financial future is being created today by the choices you make. So ask yourself, are your current money habits building your future or destroying it? 5 years from now, your financial life will be the result of your decisions today. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to Wealth Harbor Network. Here we share financial wisdom, money mindset, and lessons that can help you build a stronger financial future. Remember, wealth is not created by what you earn. Wealth is created by what you keep, what you invest, and what you do consistently. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.